Taking a look at XRP from the previous video, we can see that XRP has broken down into our red box. Now, unfortunately, the only way this box would get invalidated is if we broke out of this downtrend and over the 382 retracement, which obviously that has not occurred, so XRP had a big breakdown. Now, unfortunately, XRP is still inside of the downtrend, so there is no reason to assume that XRP is bullish. One would make the case that we actually broke down below this box, the green one that is, which would actually suggest that XRP is beginning to break down. So all we're going to do is redraw the chart, and we can draw a major downtrend like so, and we can keep it simple and say that as long as XRP is below the 382 retracement, which is $2.15, the price is considered bearish. Only if XRP gets over this downtrend and the 382 could we make the case that the bottom is actually in and a larger rally up will take place, which means that as long as we're below 215, technically a new low is still possible. However, if we get over 215, XRP would move up to about 256 and potentially up to a new high at 414 if and when we finally get over that 786 retracement, which you can see is where we got stuck back in March. So to keep it simple, if XRP is below 215, there's no reason to assume it's going to move higher, and we could technically still be looking for a new low at about 139. And if it gets over 215, then we could say the bottom is in, and a larger rally up to 250 to about 290 would take place, in my opinion.